The phrase I heard a while back, if you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. And the reality is, for me, for so many years, I've been in the network marketing direct sales space, built massive teams in the US, Europe, South America. Even though I was on social media, most of my business was face-to-face, belly to belly. And I was literally, for many years, on a plane from city to city, meeting with people in different markets, connecting, old school. And although I still believe in that, guys, things have evolved. This digital marketing system, program, world that we live in, e-learning being $1 billion a day sales opportunity, growing into $1 trillion market, annual market by Forbes saying in 2027. Guys, when you have a system that's done for you, that all you have to do is copy and paste, and you can, if you dedicate 2 hours a day, you can learn how to earn $900 a day or more. Once you start seeing a lot of people doing it and winning, you realize it's not just hype. It's not just something that's for some people. Guys, it's happening to everybody. My number one suggestion, if you're still searching, if you're still curious, if you haven't informed yourself, if you haven't educated yourself, if you're still skeptical like I was for a while till my friend Matt shared what he was earning, and I saw it, and I saw it was for real. I looked, and you know, they say the mind is like a parachute. It's got to be open for it to work. My number one suggestion is say, Freddie, share with me the info, and or go to digitalpaysmedaily.com, digitalpaysmedaily.com, enter your email, get the blueprint. Let's connect. Take care. God bless. And you make it a great day.